Hey guys, I'm Mashable Senior Tech Correspondent Ray Wong, and today we're going to check out the brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Let's go! At first glance, you may not see any differences between Samsung's Galaxy S9 and last year's S8. But look more closely and you'll notice everything's changed for the better, even if the design's still essentially the same glass and metal sandwich as the S8. Samsung's new flagship phone comes in two sizes, a 5.8-inch S9 and 6.2-inch S9 Plus. Both are Super AMOLED displays that curve off on the edges. Both have QHD Plus resolution, and both screens look fantastic. Both phones also come with all the key features that you'd expect from Samsung phones. Headphone jack? Check. IP68 water and dust resistance? Check. Expandable storage? Check. Fast wired and wireless charging? Check and check. And what about performance and specs? Not to worry. Both phones are powered by Qualcomm's latest and greatest Snapdragon 845 chip. The S9 comes with 4GB of RAM and the S9 Plus has 6GB. 64GB of storage is standard on both models. Battery life should also last all day thanks to a 3000 mAh battery in the S9 and a 3500 mAh battery in the S9 Plus. Samsung's even addressed three shortcomings from the Galaxy S8. First, the fingerprint sensors moved from next to the camera to a more reachable place below it. Second, the phones now have stereo speakers. They're tuned by AKG and pump out sound that's 1.4 times louder than the S8. They also support Dolby Atmos simulated surround sound. And third, there's a new intelligent scan feature that automatically switches between the iris scanner and less secure face unlock feature depending on the lighting condition. But the biggest upgrades you'll find on the S9 and S9 Plus are the rear cameras. The rear cameras come with a new 12-megapixel sensor that can automatically switch between an f2.4 aperture for daylight shots and an f1.5 aperture for low-light photos. For you guys, it means your photos will look sharper and have about 30% less image noise. If you enjoy shooting slow motion, you'll love the new 960 frames per second video recording mode. There's also a new feature called AR emoji that is so clearly an answer to the iPhone X's Animoji. Snap a photo yourself and the camera will make an emoji based on your facial features. They're kind of like 3D Bitmoji. You can customize your face, hairstyle, and even outfit. The software then creates 18 GIFs with different expressions based on your AR emoji, which you can then text to your friends. It's weird and creepy and strangely a lot of fun. If making your own emoji isn't your thing, you can always play with the sillier AR face options like these hilarious face masks. If you spring for the larger S9 Plus, you'll get a secondary 2x telephoto camera that does all the same tricks as the Galaxy Note 8. For selfies, both phones sport 8-megapixel cameras with autofocus. The S9 and S9 Plus have other improvements like a smarter Bixby and new SmartThings app for controlling all of your compatible smart home devices in one place. There's also a new Dex pad sold separately that lets you turn the phones into a trackpad when hooked up to a computer monitor and keyboard. All of these refinements add up to what might be Samsung's best flagship phones yet. The phones go out for pre-order on March 2nd and they're available worldwide on March 16th. For more coverage on the Galaxy S9, check out mashable.com.